Hi, my name is Carly King, and I'm in University 101, Section 02C. The idea for my project is titled Dash for Snacks, and it was inspired by the rising obesity rate in children in West Virginia. The current obesity rate for children between ages 2 and 18 is 69.4%. And this is a big problem because it can affect their development, but it can also create future health problems like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. So the goal for my project is to promote healthy eating in West Virginia's youth and educate them on the negative health effects if they eat poorly. So step one in the registration is the registration process. Instead of charging a registration fee, we will have the runners bring in different snacks. So a different age group will bring in a different snack, so we don't have an influx of one thing and not enough of another. So ages 18 to 24 will bring in granola bars. Ages 25 to 32, water. Ages 33 to 38, apples or oranges. Ages 39 to 45, cheese sticks. Ages 46 to 53, raisins. Ages 54 to 60, pretzels, and 61 and up will bring in the paper bags that we will place the snacks in. So step two will be to select a group to receive the snack packs. Since UC is such a large commuter school, we will ask the commuters what area they think will benefit the most from this. So probably a low income area with children that may not have the means to eat healthy, because eating healthy can be expensive, but also children that may not be educated on what can happen if they don't eat healthy. So the education majors can select an age group to decide what age group will benefit the most from the snack packs. I personally believe it should be the first or second grade, because if you start good eating habits when they're young, then hopefully it will continue into their teenage years and into adulthood. Step three will be gathering healthy eating facts, and what we'll do is type up a fact sheet that includes the facts if you don't eat healthy, and also how you can eat healthy. And we can get the creative kids in the class to do this, so maybe the communication majors or the art majors, and they can make the facts into like a fun little story for kids to read on the front of their pack rather than just bullet points. Because if you make it fun for the kids, then they're going to be more interested than just reading a list of facts. And the fact sheet will be stapled to the front of the bag that the kids will receive. So step four will be to reach out to local doctor's office and pediatricians for pamphlets or information to include in the snack packs. And the reason for doing this is parents may pay more attention to an accredited source rather than a group of college kids that have collected their facts from the internet and typed them into something for their kids to read. So by including pamphlets from a doctor's office, we give the project more credibility, and it also gives the adults something to look at rather than just the children reading the story that we have stapled to the front. Step five will be to make the public aware of what items to bring. We are the social media generation, so we'll obviously employ social media. We'll use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and also have UC post the flyer that we create on their website. We can also reach out to the local news channel and the newspaper, so they can do a story in the newspaper that would advertise what you need to bring for which age group you fall into, and maybe do a story. They can come and interview whichever group is in charge of all of this. They can interview them and do a story on the news, and we could also get the radio station involved. We could have someone record a PSA that they could play over the airwaves. So step six will be filling the bags. On race day, whenever the runners come to get their numbers, they will put their snacks in a bag, and whenever the registration is complete, the class will take the snacks up to a classroom and fill them like an assembly line, so that we make sure that no child is shorted and everyone gets what they're supposed to. So the last step will obviously be delivering the bags. We can get as many kids together that fits into their schedule and take them to the elementary school that the education majors have chosen. and we can deliver the bags to the kids. So my project enforces UC's LLOs in the sense of citizenship and communication. By using citizenship, we are reaching out to the community and involving ourselves, and we're bettering the community, hopefully, by teaching the kids an important lesson. And communication will be employed because we are delivering a vital message to children that if they don't eat healthy, then these are the bad things that can happen. And also, we could tell them, the good things, like, you grow big and strong if you eat healthy. It's really redundant, and kids probably laugh at that now, but it's something that's very true and that children need to realize.